All right, we got the plugs on both sides, man. We finna take a break and go check out this new car, see what's to that bitch. You ready?
And the motherfucker's right. We gonna buy it today.
Cocking that bitch on sight. We hope it's right. We gonna see, man. Stay tuned. Hey, what's good? It's your boy BG. Welcome to another episode of Block Sports. Like these videos, hit that subscribe button, and punch that bell, you dig? What's good, Block members? It's your boy BG. I done pulled back on Pops again. Shit, we still ain't took the motor out the Grand Prix, fucking around. We waiting on the torque converter to come through for the new setup, really though. And it's probably gonna be a few days. So until we do get it, we gonna fuck around, bolt the headers back up on the old setup. Probably fire it up, let it run, put the plugs back in and shit. We might hit a few blocks, you never know. But we also supposed to be going to check out another potential project, man. Pop's looking at another Pontiac, so we gonna see if it's worth our time. And shit, I'll let y'all know what it is, so just stay tuned, man. We gonna see what's to it. Putting these plugs back in was a bitch. I got one more to go on my side. Pop's in on his side. You in on your side, right?
Yeah, I'm good.
I got one more to go. This shit a bitch. I'll be back.
But keep dropping these damn tools and shit.
All right, we got the plugs on both sides, man. We finna take a break and go check out this new car, see what's to that bitch. You ready?
And the motherfucker's right. We gonna buy it today.
Cocking that bitch on sight. We hope it's right. We gonna see, man. Bro, 69?
Yeah.
2 far gone.
It's so loud that the pieces fell out. Look.
Oh yeah.
Work.
Yeah, some work.
Oh, the straps even rotted out. To hold the tank up.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Wow.
That'll be it.
You see that the straps rotted out to hold the tank up.
And this would have been nice though.
Yeah, it's body.
It ain't gonna work, huh?
Yeah, it's gonna take this serious project here, my brother.
True that.
This is a lot. It look good on the inside, but it's gonna be a real deal. It's gonna be the real deal here. It's gonna be a lot.
You gonna have to do some thinking, nigga.
Huh?
You gotta do some thinking. The inside do look good. Like, wait, that motherfucker on the floor. I know she rotted.
Oh wow.
Can't find it.
Nah, this shit right there, bro. It's froze. Shit. Can we get together in about a couple of appointments for next week, man? Let me get this body work on this. See what's to the bottom of it. I don't want to say yeah and see something else going on. You know, let him.
I don't know, y'all. That motherfucker needed too much work. I don't know. We gotta keep looking. What you think, Pops?
Well, we do know that motherfucker gonna sit right where it's at. I tell you that.
That bitch over with.
It had rust on it like a rusty, like Rusty Jones wouldn't want that motherfucker. But I love the car.
Love
Just that
ain't
it had
gonna
to
get
be in bad shape.
Hey, love ain't gonna get it. So y'all, there y'all have it. We still on the lookout for another Pontiac, man. Pops, love
And I
that
want that
motherfucker
same
Lamont.
one.
You
That
want
front
that
end
same
on that
bitch?
thing, that front
What's
end,
that, 69?
I love
Pontiac
it.
Le Mans.
It's so beautiful, but
Hey.
it would take me $20,000 to put that car back together.
That to him is like what a Grand National or a W4 is to me. So we gotta keep fanning Pops one. And that just ain't gonna be the bitch. We finna get back to the garage, fuck with the Grand Prix. So y'all stay tuned for that shit.
I'm telling you, if it's too loud, I'm cutting them off.
Man, let that bitch talk for a minute, man.
Fuck you, man.
Man, let that shit talk while you always, man. The neighbors will be good, man. That battery, you think got some juice?
I hope so.
Shit. I think it do. Oh shit.
Wee!
Come on, do it again.
Got it?
Come on, I got you.
Here we go. All right. Matter of fact, let me work it. I'll work it.
Come on, man. Bitch, ran out of gas, man. All right,
Huh?
that's good.